What's up, lifelong learners? It's your boy, Mr. Hank. So right now we are going to do the upgraded basic Ken burn technique, or the intermediate/advanced level, if you want to do that. You're going to learn how to duplicate clips, add sound effects, graphics, whatever. Hold click option, hold drag, and then add crop effect and blur effect. So this is what's going to happen. Here's an example, and then I'll show you how to do it. This is an example right here. Notice how I have this image right here that was cropped from left, right, top, bottom to make it look nice. And then I duplicated the bottom layer to the top layer to create this top part right here that I've cropped. Okay? And then I also use that technique right here. I have this vertical photo that I didn't crop, but I can if I wanted to, but the whole point was to show this tree. So you can see the background blurring. It's actually a duplicate of this actual photo right here. Okay, so let me start off with this one right here. I am going to use this photo. So imagine, someone's doing some talking right here. So I'm going to use this photo, put it right there, okay? I'm going to zoom in on this photo. So I'm going to duplicate first. I'm going to hold option, click drag up, and then you're going to duplicate. Go to the bottom layer, go to effects control. You're going to go ahead and scale this up. Okay, the bottom layer is being scaled up. And then I'm going to move it over slightly to the left here to make sure I have these blue and the blue. So this blue and that blue right there. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the effects. Click on this, click on go to effects, and then click on blur. So I'll type in blur, and I'll get the blur, Gaussian blur, click and drag, drop it right there. Okay, you don't see anything happening to the bottom layer yet. So what I'm gonna do here is I am going to click on blurriness and drag it to the right. You can see the bottom part getting blurrier. The bottom layer is what I meant to say, getting blurrier. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the top layer, and I'm going to go here and click on and search for the crop effect. So I'm going to click and drag, put the crop effect on the top layer, which is this right here, not the blurry part, but this part right here that's above it. You're going to crop the left sides because I don't want that blue. I'm going to crop the right side because I don't want that. Oh, it's too much crop. Let's go about right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use scale to scale it down. Oh, got the bottom part I got to crop. So here it is. I'm going to crop the bottom by clicking bottom and then dragging upward by a little bit like that. You can also type, okay? Like say I want 2, type 2 and then push return. And then here's what I have that I can use to create motion with the top one. So I'm going to go push up, 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 get to the beginning. I'm going to create my start keyframe, 1, 2, 3, right there. I'm going to go to the end. All right, push back. Oh, I didn't want to go there. I want to go to the end of this. Oh, why did it jump all the way to the end? Okay, but anyways, push down. And then I'm going to go back 1. And I'm going to create the end keyframe by clicking on this image. The end keyframe to create it using these 1, 2, 3, and I want to just slowly zoom up like that and position it. Oh, Command Z, position it downward like that. So from beginning to end, it'll look like this.
New neighboring teacher, so that's how I met the Kaiser. And
there. You notice how it's slowly getting bigger, and I can add borders. And if you want to add borders to this, all you have to do is go watch this tutorial right here, creating a stroke around photos. All right, so that's the end of our video. Rock, paper, peace.